Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto-rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto-Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now green. That means that auto-rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same tile again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Display section. In it, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!